Hi everyone and welcome to Sendrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about ICICI Prudential PMS Value Strategy. Investing in today's market can be challenging, but the ICICI Prudential PMS Value Strategy offers a unique and powerful approach to help you sustain your wealth. Since its inception in 2004, this strategy has consistently delivered impressive results by following a disciplined value investing philosophy, which is selecting high-quality businesses at attractive valuations. Now let's understand what makes this strategy stand out. The core belief of this fund is simple: good businesses at reasonable prices. The strategy focuses on businesses with strong fundamentals, robust earning growth, and long-term competitive advantages. The fund managers, led by the highly experienced Anand Shah, combine deep market insights with decades of expertise, ensuring a well-researched and thoughtful selection of stocks. The strategy follows a focused portfolio approach, investing in 25 to 30 stocks across large, mid, and small cap companies, striking the right balance between stability and high growth potential. This means your money is invested where it matters the most, in companies poised to grow. Now let's understand why should you invest in ICICI Prudential PMS Value Strategy. First, proven performance. This strategy has consistently outperformed the broader market. Over the last year alone, it has delivered an outstanding 54.98% return, significantly beating the benchmark BSE 500 TRI, which provided a return of 41.14%. Over the long term, the fund has also maintained a strong 14.11% annualized return since inception. Second, strong earnings growth. The companies in this portfolio have shown 22.37% earnings growth over the past 3 years, well above the market average, demonstrating the fund's ability to identify businesses with superior potential. Third, diverse sector exposure. With a substantial exposure to critical sectors like banks, 26.8%, ferrous metals 16.5%, telecom services 7.4%, the fund is positioned to benefit from India's ongoing economic growth and sectoral tailwinds. Lastly, research-backed decisions. The fund is supported by a team of 27 dedicated research analysts who cover over 585 companies across 20 sectors. This depth of research ensures that every investment decision is backed by thorough market insights, enhancing the potential for outperformance. Now let's understand their strategy for all markets. The ICICI Prudential PMS Value Strategy is designed to perform across market cycles. Whether it's a booming economy or a challenging environment, the fund managers adhere to the philosophy that stocks with strong fundamentals will eventually realize their fair value. This value investing approach reduces risk by avoiding overpriced stocks and focusing on those undervalued by the market. Moreover, the fund doesn't rely on large cap stability. It also capitalizes on mid cap and small cap opportunities, currently with 50% in large cap, 19% in mid cap, and 31% in small cap stocks. This allocation provides both the safety of established companies and the growth potential of emerging ones. Now let's understand why it is the right time to invest in this product. As India continues to experience rapid economic transformation, sectors like financial services, telecom, and infrastructure are poised for significant growth. The ICICI Prudential PMS Value Strategy is positioned to capture this upside with investments in top-performing companies like ICICI Bank, L&T, and Bharti Airtel. With an attractive fee structure, transparent investment approach, and a proven track record, this is the perfect opportunity for investors who seek long-term compounded growth. Let your investments grow in the hands of experts who have been delivering superior results for years. ICICI Prudential PMS Value Strategy, your gateway to long-term wealth creation. Well, thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned.